Hello, this is Justin Clay, and I would like to share with you my approach to teach the concept of recognizing key signatures within a composition. My objective would be students will be able to recognize key signatures within a composition by the end of this lesson. The students that I would teach would be beginning band high school students. My first approach to teaching this concept, I would go to the smartboard and I would draw the staff, and then I will label different accidentals such as flats. And then for another example, I would label sharps, and me and the students will drill around with recognizing different key signatures from practices. Then I would have the students open up March for a Festive Occasion, and then I would tell them to look at measure 1. After looking at measure 1, I would have them tell me what key signature that we're in. According to the concert pitches, we are beginning with concert E flat. And then I would also have them take a look at other accidentals throughout the piece. And then I would have them tell me if the accidentals changed at some point, indicating a key change. And at measure 21, the key changed to concert B flat. Once student recognized the two keys, I suggest doing a small scale review, which we can start with concert E flat, playing the concert E flat scale. And then after we play the concert E flat scale, I would actually have my band play the chord, which would be E flat, G, B flat. And then I like to have my woodwinds play the 5. I like to have my mid brass and upper brass play the 3. And then I like my low brass to go down to the tonic, which would be 1. And so they will hear the chord and play throughout that. After they hear both of those scales, I'll introduce the concept of taking a look at any other accidentals throughout the piece, and if those keys changed back and forth, which they do, because I see another key change at 37. It goes back to concert E flat. And then I also see another key change that went back to concert B flat at measure 69. So basically, I would drill with my students when they see the changes happen to be ready to remember what those chords sound like that we practiced, and to understand that looking for the accidentals within a piece is also a good practice to increase the speed of sight reading. If you're understanding the scale that you're playing within, the faster that would also be beneficial for sight reading. So this is how I would approach a simple lesson for one day within this composition for my beginning band students. Thank you.